This is behind the scenes of my live streams. So I'm using that super clamp from Sunway Photo called the CC02. Using Sunway Photo BH03 ball heads and another ball head and a super clamp. I'm using that Comic-Con Audio Wireless. Alright everyone, this is my 50. I want you to see how clean before I ship it over to Massachusetts. Look how clean that it looks. Look at the back. Look at the optics. No scratches, friend. Super clean. I'm actually vomiting right now. This is what happens when you get food poison. Throwing up. Look, there's another storm. Crackdown begins. So, ladies and gentlemen, all smoke shops, stop selling that bullshit weed that you're selling with opiates in it. You know what I'm talking about. That's why everyone's going crazy. New York City, listen, every folks, buy your weed from a dispensary, or a source that you know that you can rely on, because these smoke shops are just selling anything. But what did I tell everyone? There's another one right here in Union Square, shut down. Good. Buy it from the dispensary. So, do you remember this spot? This is Kinka. I used to love coming here, fam. Oh, this is my jam. Until one day, I got a job here. And look at it. It's packed on a Monday night. So, what does that tell you? Come to St. Mark's Place. It's right here underneath Search and Destroy. This is Kinka. And Mondays, they're having a special. So, come on down, everybody. I know it smells down here, but the food is good. He's back. He's back, everyone. Another scam day. Another grifter. People calling me a grifter. I'm a grifter. I'm not extorting, stealing, trading. Like this gentleman here. I shouldn't say that, but listen, friend. You're not... See, they're everywhere, friend. Scamming people everywhere, friend. Doesn't matter where they go. Don't get scammed by these con artists here, friend. Ask them to, ladies and gentlemen, all you have to do is ask them, let me see your Department of Education ID.
Get out the car, come back!
Guy in the red Honda was trying to hit people. This guy in the red Honda over here tried to hit people. Damn, New York is wild. Oh, he's gonna make the U-turn too. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Is he gonna come around? He's gonna come and she's gonna try to come around. Oh wow, he literally wants to hit someone.
Please move away from the doors. Please move away from the doors. Please move away from the doors. Please.
2 cars got broken in probably last night. Not sure how long these cars been parked here, but just want to show you guys. This vehicle got broken in, and then this vehicle got broken in. Man, the crime rate in New York City is just getting worse and worse, man. So look what I found. So this is a beak tofu Caesar salad from the community page. You don't see this quite often because they always donate junk food, but whatever. So this is my letter from the United States Department of State, okay, for the passport. Here's the receipt. For those that really doubt that you can't not get a passport the same day, you can if you visit the United States Department of Immigration offices. Mind you that. Here's a physical receipt when I was in Chicago. Mind you, when I lost my first passport, this is how much I had to pay, an additional $60. As you can see, and you can see that passport process times are approximately 2 to 3 hours at minimum. So you can get a passport same day if you go directly to the office, and make sure that you bring everything with you. So it is possible and it is available to you if you have the extra funds. I was taking some long exposures until this jerk off blocked my view. So shooting with the IRIX 15 Canon. This is the ArcSight AS-ABC carbon fiber tripod. I'm using the Sony Photo DT03 and the M3 slider. And I'm using a Navy filter polarizer. And you can see that it's actually out there raining. But this guy here, literally, no one is very attention to observation in New York City. Yeah, what a photography top rocker. You know, as an asthmatic, I have to say this. I'm at the Metropolitan station, and I just noticed that my nose got stuffy when entering the subway. Very difficult to breathe. So just giving you guys context as an asthmatic. Yeah, my nose has gotten much stuffier and drier since I entered the subway. So there is a quality control issue here in the subway. And this is why many people like myself, are complaining about like quality of air and the subway. Yeah, my nose is feeling very dry and very irritated in a sense, if you understand. And my lungs is like, yeah, it's very noticeable. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I just fine-tuned the DIY project for my Pelican 1510 case. I had this case for over 13 years now, but the one thing I did not like is these wheels. They would just make too much noise. It was very noisy, very hard to control when pulling down the street because it wobbles back and forth. So I need a little bit more stability. And I put these rubber tires. Originally, I bought these tires for my wagon last year, and I kept them ever since. So I knew I had a purpose for them, just didn't know what the purpose was until now. And as you can see, I chopped off a piece of the metal by sawing it off with a saw and cutting a piece off. So now it just fits nicely. And I'm going to let that dry for a little bit. What's up, everyone? We out here. I'm the PandaPhotographer. We're shooting long exposure night photography images, and my gear setup is my ArcSight AS80C carbon fiber tripod. Had it for a good 4.5 years. Trusted, it's a very good carbon fiber tripod. But I'm also using the Canon 70D. It's an older camera, but I'm also using the ThePandaPhoto DPL 7L bracket that's attached to the newer 50mm clamp adapter on top of a ThePandaPhoto M3 attached to the DT03R from ThePandaPhoto, which is a two-way tip pad. So to give you guys context, I am shooting with the Iris lenses. This is the 15 with the Maven CPL in the front. Keep that in mind. I like using CPLs, but if you guys want to see more, please subscribe, like, and share. See you guys in the next one. Good day, everyone. I'm the PandaPhotographer, and we have good news to share. So, do you guys remember the power bank manufacturer that sent me those power banks from Inu? If I'm pronouncing it correctly, Inu? Well, guess what? Kathleen just contacted me once more and wants to collab again because she thought that the first videos that I did about the power banks were absolutely amazing, as you can read from the email. So she's inviting me. Mind you, I seen this on my laptop earlier, but I'm on my mobile, recording this to give you guys a little bit of sense of how slowly my foundation as a photographer, as a filmmaker in this city of New York, is slowly progressing, very slowly with these brands. So I appreciate Inu for literally reaching out again for me to even test and play and review new and upcoming or current products. But with that said, everyone, I just want to share this in transparency that I'm not going to give up. It's going to be a slow process. It always has been. And I think the slow process is the better process. So with that said, everyone, thank you, Kathleen, for reaching out from Inu Tech. So yes, Inu Tech wants to send me more products to review. So what does that go to show you, everyone? No matter how many haters dislike your videos or disagree what you're trying to do for yourself, and mind you, you have the expertise, they don't. So with that said, everyone, it's great to see brands continue to reach out and see that my videos are making a difference, and they want to still be, they still want to collab. And this is what a collab is supposed to be. Someone reaching out, they acknowledge my work. They're also going to send me the product with nothing exchanged. They just want an honest review and an honest video. They don't care what social media platform you put it on, but they would like to see it on YouTube. So with that said, but for me, I post all of the same video. If you guys look at my content carefully, I post on the same video on LinkedIn, Patreon, Facebook, YouTube, and I tag it on Twitter, but I also upload it to Instagram. Yes, I uploaded lately I've been uploading most of the videos on Instagram. But I just want you guys to see that they want to collab once more, and this is a good sign. So she is the operating manager from Inu. So yeah, this is who I'm talking to as my rep. So if you guys really like this step forward on this channel, give me a thumbs like. With that said, everyone, please do subscribe, like, and share, and I will see you guys in the next one.
But with that said, eat, sleep, photography in you, and repeat. See ya.
So it's now the time. It's now 12:53. It got to 100%, and it took about 61. It's at 61%. So yeah, roughly an hour to charge a phone from 18% to 100% with a 100-watt cable. So give it take. This is technically a 30-watt charger, but it depends on the cable. So it could go 18 watts, 22 watts, or 30 watts, depending on the cable. But as you can see, it went down to 60%. But yep, that's all I have to say, and all I have to do for now to show you guys in real time how long will it actually take a phone at this size, which is an S22, how long would it charge. So everyone, this came from from Toadstool, from having my birthday lunch. And see this building here? It's literally in the middle of an urban neighborhood. But the thing why I question this building is because it used to be a youth correctional center for the youth in the middle of an urban community like this. So, and it looks like it's not occupied right now, but you can see there's brand new cameras. So I'm not sure it's active or inactive, but it doesn't seem like it's active. But if it is, you need to take some of these youths and put them inside there.